how to turn off iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to basically go ahead and then turn off your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is actually when you turn on your iPad and then you would like to completely switch it off, at the top of your iPad, if you're holding it sideways, it's going to be at the top left. If you're holding it upwards, it's going to be at the top right. So you have to make sure to actually press that power button there and then hold on it for a while until you see this type of section that says slide to power off. So when you see the slide to power off section, it means that your iPad is asking you to turn it off. So now when you tap on the slide to power off, your iPad will get successfully turned off. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically power off or turn off your iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.